Hey guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it is going to be my New Year's resolutions and how I'm going to stick to them and how it could help you stick to yours as well. So before we get into it, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into it. So I realized I'm like a week late on like the New Year's resolution video train, but it happens. It happens. First, I'm going to kind of go over how I plan to stick to my resolutions, just because then the rest of this video will make a lot more sense. So how I'm going to stick to my New Year's resolutions this year is I am coming up with 12 resolutions for the entire year and one for every month. Because people just tend to have a resolution, they go strong for January, maybe they bring that like motivation into February as well with whatever the resolution is, and then March, April, May, it kind of fizzles out, you kind of forget about it. And like when you give a goal such a big timeline, then you can kind of lose focus, you know. It'll come to August and you'll be like, oh well, I gave up on that resolution so long ago, so why should I keep carrying it out? So to not give up as easily and to not lose focus of what you're aiming towards, that is the point of the 12 resolutions. And so there's 12 resolutions, one for every month, and you could like repeat them like how you'll see mine are. And yeah, so I just think it's a really great way to stick to your goals and stick to your resolutions, because it's a little pick-me-up every single month and you could focus on perfecting whatever resolution it is for each month. I think that's a really good way. Maybe you guys can take it into consideration, maybe start it off February. If you're like, oh, January, it's too late for me now. Now you can't have that excuse, because you could pick it back up on in February. You know what I mean. So carrying on to my New Year's resolutions, of course, January, because I'm a basic bitch, it is getting back to the gym or a gym, find something that works for me. Just getting back in shape and healthy. Today I worked out this morning in my room, just did a little workout, and you know, it was a good little first step into getting back to working out, because I kind of distanced myself from working out all of December, you know, holidays, food is just kind of a priority. So then come February, my resolution or goal, these are kind of goals and resolutions. Are those synonyms? I'm not really sure. I probably just made myself look very stupid. Happens. It happens. So for February, it's to get a nice gift for Austin, just because, you know, I appreciate him. So I want to get him a nice gift. It also falls on Valentine's Day as well, you know, month of February. So that's my little goal resolution. Thinking of you. March, my resolution is to drink 3 to 4 hydro flasks a day, and so I have this hydro flask. I'm doing strong so far. I mean, this resolution isn't until March, but I want to be good about drinking water a lot more. So as you guys can notice, instead of my usual chats, I have a cup of coffee, but now I have water. Making some progress, am I right? So come March, I'm gonna be drinking 3 to 4 of these a day. And maybe that's not enough, maybe that's just right. I'm not really sure. I really didn't look it up. I just thought, oh, 3 to 4. Sounds like a good number. And it's definitely a lot more than what I drink now. So it's an improvement. Then for April, I am bringing back around to the gym, because I'm one of those people who I start off very motivated, you know, and then it kind of fizzles out. So April, I'm gonna bring that motivation back, and so my resolution is to get to the gym once again, because I can just tell come April I might have fizzled out by then. So it's gonna be another pick-me-up to be like, Sid, go be active. My resolution for May is like my little treat yourself month, you know. I'll just be done with finals, I'll be done with my junior year of college, which is crazy to think of that. So, you know, just kind of take care of myself, self-care, self-love, get a facial and get a massage, and you know, maybe buy an expensive skincare item, because skincare items are what you should really splurge on, you know. It's just, May is gonna be my treat yourself month. My resolution for June is to go on a little trip, whether that is like me going back home or maybe going to California, you know, because California is just a hop, skip, and a jump away from Arizona, or even if it's like going to Sedona or something. Just, I want to go on a little trip. It'll be the middle of the summer. I'll need a little break, you know, and I'll be so relaxed after my month of treating myself. You know, I'll just carry that a little bit into June and just give myself a little vacay, staycay, whatever. Then July, I have another gym resolution, because if you can't sense a theme here, I get motivated, and then it fizzles, then I get motivated again, then it fizzles. So I'm keeping myself, I am just staying on top of it. So July is another gym motivation resolution thing. August, my resolution for August is just to have the best month ever. And I chose August because, one, it's my birthday. I'm gonna be 21. So my birthday is August 3rd, so it's right at the beginning of the month, which is perfect for this little resolution. I'll be turning 21. I'll be starting my senior year of college, and that is just weird. It's bizarre, but I want to go into it like with a good mindset, and I just want to have an amazing month. So keeping up good vibes, high energy in August. My resolution for September is to get more sleep. Just kind of focus more on getting sleep, yeah, because I'm going to be a senior. I'll probably be stressed. Who knows, but I at least wanted to throw 1 month resolution, just having something to do with sleep. So I thought that would be a good time, September, being that I'm gonna be back into school mode. In October, I brought it back to the whole water thing, just to drink more water. We'll be kind of coming out, transitioning from Arizona's summer, so just another one to drink more water. And November is another get more sleep resolution, because it is going to be finals, and I'm just always stressed and a little more just kind of sad and run down during November, just because it's right before Christmas break too. I always happen to be very, very homesick, and so sleep is just really important to keep my energy up and to stay focused and not stress out about everything like I tend to do. And then my resolution for December is to declutter everything, which is kind of what I did this past September. I didn't record any of it, but I'll show you guys like in a vlog or something everything I've decluttered. But so I'm still trying to be more of a minimalist or live a more minimal lifestyle, but yeah, so December is just kind of a cleansing resolution. So those are my 12 resolutions for the year of 2018. I hope this video inspired you to kind of divvy up your resolutions, or you don't even have to do it on a 12-month span. Maybe you skip every other month, so maybe it's more of a 6 resolution thing instead of 12. But you can always repeat like I did. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope your new year was amazing. I hope your holidays were amazing. Everything was just amazing. And I hope 2018 treats you all well. I hope it treats everyone well, because I feel like everyone is on the same page that 2017 kind of sucked. And I'm glad it's over, it's in the past, where it should be, shoving it and like just closing the door on it, just like slamming the door. Okay, this is getting out of hand. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. New videos every Wednesday. Subscribe, all that stuff. Alright, bye guys.